Creative, you have value. You have worth beyond the monetary. You have dignity and you deserve respect. What you make may not be perfect. It may not fit exactly what you want it to be. And of course, it's never honestly going to do that because our standard is always higher than where we are. But that doesn't mean it's not good. It doesn't mean it lacks potential. It doesn't mean that if you're willing to work on it, that it cannot become the thing that you want it to be. It's never going to be perfect. That's okay. Nothing in life is perfect, but you can still make it really darn good. Creative, you are worth that effort. Your art is absolutely worth whatever you put into it. Take heart. Forgive your art for not working right or for not looking the way you wanted or for finishing the way you wanted. It's okay. You can always make something else. And each time you make something new, you get better at what you're doing. That's how practice works. Keep going, keep creating, don't stop. Now sit down with me and let's make something new.